Welcome back to Redneck's Dirty Hands. I'm Pete. I'm here with my sweetheart, Christina.
Oh, hey.
Hey, girl. And today, we're not really sure what this video is going to be. I think what we should do is kind of go over a few things. You know, the channel's doing good. We're over 27,000 subscribers right now, which, you know, thanks to all of you. You know, you guys are making this happen. We're having fun making these videos. So now that we just came back from Moorfield, Christina did her successful first actual grass drag race and did pretty good, baby.
Yeah, well, I didn't do too bad. It was fun. We'll definitely do that again.
I hope so, because we got plans. You look good on a race sled, and we're going to build some more sleds, and I want to go racing with you, baby.
All right.
You know, we can add to, if you look back on the beer fridge there's a bunch of trophies up on there. We brought home a couple of first place trophies. Billy brought home a second place on Remington's 850 there and a first place. But yeah, we all got the bug and the itch. So this is the changing of the seasons. You know, our content basically transition over to the sled content. So we want to hear from you guys. What do you want to see us do? You know, I think we're going to start off this season. We've signed on to go to the Toronto International Snowmobile ATV and Power Sports Show in the International Center, Mississauga. So I'll put a flyer up there for that. It's October 25th to the 27th, right?
Yeah, I think so.
3 days of, you know what? It's going to be all snowmobile stuff, ATV, all that kind of jazz. If you guys can make it out to come see us, we'll be there with merch on site. Space is limited though. We got a, what is that, 10 by...
10 by, or 20 by 10?
10 by 20 or 20 by 10? So space is going to be limited in the booth. We don't know what to bring. Let us know what you guys want to see in the booth. Do you want to see your mama? Do you want to see the shocker? Do you want to see the Power One? You know, it's parked. Christina made me park it, so. Although now everybody's coming out with golf cart videos. Grindhard's got their R1. The Hunt
Boys had theirs.
Yeah. Go check out Seaboy's video. They got an 80 horsepower golf cart that I think they were doing 60 mile an hour. We got a 180 horsepower golf cart, and you've seen me do over 100 mile an hour in that one. So go leave a comment on their video. Tell them they need a race Redneck's Dirty Hands. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, the Power One was a super hit in Minnesota. I know people keep telling me stop saying it like that,
right.
But I can't help it, right? You know, do you guys want to see the Power One in the booth? You know, it's a bit of an eye catcher thing, you know, but I did get the F7 back. I'm not going to bring that to the booth, but we are going to go over this. My buddy Kerry, he had it for 2 years, I think it was. The plan was to get it set up for the grass drags. Unfortunately, situation and all that stuff, it didn't work out. He got it to one grass drag, I think, and then, you know, couldn't make it out to the other one. So his brother Kurt, our good buddy, he brought it down to Moorfield for us. I was gonna run it, but we were doing some test hits in the field there, and it was kind of boggy off the line, right, babe?
Yeah.
So I was like, you know what? We had 4 other sleds to run, so there's no point in trying it. Bring it home. We'll go over it. So maybe next video, I think that's what I want to do, because November 2nd, Peterborough Speedway, we got the last grass drag event coming up for the season, right?
Yeah. So everybody has to come.
You gonna run it again?
I don't know. I'll bring my sled and I'll decide.
Oh, okay,
when I
okay.
get there.
So
Just because of the track.
right, it is. The Peterborough track, you know, it's only 300 or 330 feet, and the shutdown is the gravel parking lot, which is not too ideal, you know, especially when you're running over 90 mile an hour. Last year I got first with JP sled, so I know Turtle Tommy is bringing his SRX. Josh will be there with his SRX. I think my buddy Steve, he's gonna have, I think it's a 2018 Thundercat, big turbo sled, all that. So we might be doing something special with that in the future. So I'll let you know about that. But yeah, we want to go to the Peterborough Speedway and maybe bring home another first place. Or should I bring your mama to the Toronto show, put your mama in the booth? You know, now this is, you know, I've been working on it. I got the 700 SRX triple in there, but the power valves, the turbo, all that. We could set it up if you guys are interested in there. It's not done yet. We still got a lot of work to do, but...
see what's going on in there, maybe?
Yeah, and then you might be noticing something else sitting here. This... I was going to keep this project a little bit on the top secret shelf there, but as you can see, this is another lake runner. She's sitting pretty low. It's got a speed track in there. It's the Yamaha Apex 4-cylinder, right? So we've been going fast over the years with the sidewinders and stuff. Billy's still got the shocker. We're going to keep going with that to you know, hopefully get it into the 150 plus mile an hour.
Right.
We've already hit 150.7 with it, but we want that 150 in the quarter mile. So the plan is to continue with the shocker and Yamama. Well, looks like I'm two-stroking Yamama now. So we got the two-stroke in there. I yanked the four-stroke out, but this, maybe we brand Yamama kind of like how Bigfoot was, right? You know, they had different versions of Bigfoot, so maybe we'll have different versions of Yo Mama, and then this one can be Yo Mama So Fast. I picked this one up off a good fella Ryan there. He was building it. Unfortunately, he had a bit of a mishap, and he's got some hip issues there, so he's not going to be riding this thing anytime soon. So figured I'd take over the reins and finish this off. Right now, you know, it's got a turbo on it. It's set up for approximately 400-ish horse, but you know, this redneck 400 ain't enough. So we're gonna mix it up a little bit. But you know, we've made it to 27,000 subscribers over the years because you guys enjoy what we're doing and all that. You know, do you want to see the Smartass Mofo in the booth in Toronto, you know? Maybe we bring that. You know, it's the snowmobile, ATV, and power sports show, so we could have a little bit of everything in there. We're more interested in bringing what you guys want to see because you're our fans, you're the ones that watch the videos, and you know, I don't want to bring something you guys don't want to see. Right. But I know a bunch of you have been asking, you know, what's going on with your mama, that 700 SRX triple build, you know, with the turbo. Don't worry, I'm getting on it, and we are going to be working on that. But I want to know, do you guys want to see me build this too? You know, getting this radar sled ready to go. You know, we're going to be working on Billy's. Well, there's a bunch of things I got to change on this. You know, there's a few things, the exhaust, the intake, the engine. You know, we gotta up the ante on there. But comment and let me know. Are you interested in that, or do you want to see something else? Over here beside Mom and Dad's place, there's a couple old skidoozers. Oh, that one's not seized. Okay. What about the other one, honey? So, I mean, you know, these old sleds have been sitting forever. We could do a revival on...
Not seized over there either.
Well, see, if they're not seized, that means there's potential. So we could do a revival on these things and maybe even race them.
I'm down for that.
Okay. You know, let us know if you guys want to see some old sled revivals. You know, I enjoy getting the old sleds up and going too, so I mean, I'd be game for doing a bunch of revival videos, and I was thinking, you know, we should do another shootout video, maybe grab some more 700s. I got the F7 now. D-Ron just picked up another SRX 700, so, you know, maybe find a Polaris, a Skidoo, give her a go, maybe go into some 800s, or maybe go into some older ones, you know. Let us know if you want to see some shootout videos, some cheap sled videos. We want to spend a little bit more time creating content. We want to create the kind of content that you guys want to see. So, pitter patter, let's get at some of that. We just want you guys to know how much we appreciate the support from you guys, the viewers, the subscribers, you know, everybody that leaves a comment and all that. The channel is growing, and we love to see that it's growing and having fun doing all this. And we hope that you guys, the Toronto Snowmobile Show, it's a 3-day event. You know, if you can't make it the Friday, maybe you can do the Saturday or the Sunday, right? We'll be there all 3 days. We'll be wandering around. I'm sure there'll be some beers kicking around in there, who knows, but also, you know, that last video at Moorfield, we had that AS Max air pump. They're going to give me, I think, 4? I might have 4 or 5 of those to do giveaways on site with those. So, I mean, I don't know how we'll do it. Maybe we'll do an on-site draw for a few of them, and then maybe, you know, the first 2 people that come up and say, hey, that AS Max is a nice one, I'll just give you one. All right?
This is it.
That's right. You want to pump your tires to the max, get yourself an AS Max. Or if you want to run your sled to the max, you get yourself an Ultimax. We'll be there with Ultimax too. We'll have some, I think we'll have some stickers and maybe even some belts there might do a giveaway on 1 or 2 of those too. Or we'll have some stickers or some shirts too. We'll be selling our stuff. We'll have some hats, toques, hoodies, stickers. What else?
T-shirts?
Maybe some t-shirts there too. We got limited supply, but you know what? Come on out in person, save yourself the shipping, and maybe even cut you a deal on the taxi. But we really hope to see you there. Now, I know this video, it's a bit of a short one, eh, honey? But, you know, we've been busy going from event to event and, you know, still doing the regular work to pay the bills, but we're getting the feeling that we we could try and turn this into a regular gig, right?
Yes, fingers crossed.
Snowmobile season is our busy season, so you know what? I'll work a little bit extra hard to try and get some of these projects done. Let us know what you want to see, and I'll work at it to try and happen. If we get the views and we can make some money at doing it, then I'll do more of it, you know. But we appreciate everybody tuning in, watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and just enjoying the content and supporting us, you know. So cheers to you. Take her easy.